How come?
Cause tape. It looks like
A big box.
See, I told you it looks like a big Google doll. What the? And
Who put an American Girl doll? Who put an American Girl doll?
What's her name again?
It says Ruthie on the
Oh,
front.
yeah.
Ruthie.
Oh my goodness.
Wait.
Don't ruin the box.
Don't push. Don't turn it over. You love that box?
Let me see. Oh my goodness.
She looks just like you.
I know, that's why
Okay, can
Mom
I go?
picked it.
Can I go?
Did Mom pick it or did you pick
she
it?
saw it and I was like, how do you pick this?
Can I go?
That's a nice mom.
Okay, let's do it slowly now, Porter.
Porter.
I was reading the book.
Ooh,
Whoa.
wow.
Let's see.
Let me see.
Cool.